everyone, welcome back to Software Testing Hacks. Today I'm making this video because most of you were asking me what is sanity testing and why do we use this sanity testing? Basically, people get confused what is sanity testing, right? So, today in this video, let's discuss about what is sanity testing. Basically, to explain you in simple terms, you can understand it in an easier way. So to do that, what we will do is, let's say that we have a software build, okay, which consists of new features. Along with that, or it may be or may not be, okay, there are some bug fixes which you have reported in your previous build, okay. If there are some issues that you have reported, that fix is there, or else there is a new feature that is been added and given it to you. So, as a tester, what our responsibility is to make sure that the build is working fine or not. This is our responsibility to check, right? So, in under this process, if we find that the build is not working properly and the basic functionality itself is not working properly, then there is a no need to continue the testing. So that's the reason if sanity testing fails, you need not to continue the testing. You have to immediately report it to the developers, right? If any major functionality especially, so if that breaks, then definitely you have to report it. Otherwise you can log it as a bug based on the requirement. So here we are making sure that the overall functionality is working fine or not. It consists of positive as well as negative tests. And here in the IT industry, people use different terminologies for sanity testing and smoke testing. So that's where usually we will get confused what is sanity testing and why sanity testing and smoke testing are always been confused is because of this. Where in case of smoke testing, it is a basic or it is a very first testing that we have to perform, right? So until the build, whenever we get the new build, first we will make sure that the basic functionality is working fine. So that is what the major difference is between the smoke testing and sanity testing. In case of sanity testing, it is also called as surface testing, and it is a subset of regression testing. Why? Because in regression testing, it consists of whole lot of tests. But here we are only picking up particular feature, right? And we are thoroughly testing it. So that's the reason it is a subset of regression testing. For an example, say that you have a banking application which it's already been used by the end users. Now you have added certain issues or issue fixes along with new features. So now as a testers, we have to ensure that that particular feature is working as expected as with respect to the requirement. Okay, first is positively also we have to test whether it is working fine or not, and negatively also we have to put some cases and test it. So when we test it negatively, that is where the chances of getting the defects are more. So that's the reason we have to perform sanity testing. And one another difference between smoke and sanity is, in case of smoke, we will directly check the positive cases, whether it is loading fine or not, whether all the major functionalities tabs are coming fine or not. If everything is fine or not is only thing that we will test as part of smoke testing. But in case of sanity testing, we will have to test it in positive as well as negative cases, corner cases. Okay. So that is how sanity testing works. So hope this video brought you more clarity on what is sanity testing. If you have liked this video, please do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.